This photo was completely overexposed, like blown highlight, lost details, and I almost deleted it, right? But in this video, I will show you exactly how I fix it step by step so that you can save your overexposed photos like a pro. Hi guys, it's Eglow here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. You're welcome to this tutorial. So if this is your first time of coming across my video, please do well to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification button so that you can be the first person to be notified whenever I post valuable content like this. So I'm going to show you how I transform this image from this to this in Capture One, right? So just any further ado, let's head straight to Capture One now and get it done. All right, guys, so we are here in Capture One now. So at the end of this video, I'm also going to give you like some tips on how to avoid something like this. You understand, on how to avoid an overexposed image or pictures or photos like this. So first thing first, let's look at even the settings upon which this image was shot, like the camera settings. So if you look at it, ISO was 2500, then shutter speed was 125 per seconds, and f-stop was 16. You understand? Now this is the reason why this image was overexposed. This image was shot outside, like an outdoor with natural light. So shooting natural light with 2500 is out of it. See, it's not even close at all. You understand? And even it's 200, 100. Hey, you understand? So this is 2500. This is crazy, guys. This is crazy, guys. So, but however, if you find yourself in a situation like this, you don't need to delete that picture. At the end of this video, you're going to find a way how to get it done. You understand? So let's dive into it. All right. So I'm just basically going to be playing with my exposure, my high dynamic range, my levels, my effects, curves, and all of that, and we'll be done with this, right? So now if you look at it now, so I'll just, the first thing first is for me to drop down the exposure a little bit. So drop down to like 1 to like negative 165, I think. Yeah, negative 1.165. You understand? So you can see. So the second thing I'm going to do is going to come to high dynamic range and drop down my highlight. This highlight now is going to help us retain all the details and the quality of the image, right? So drop down the highlight. You can see. Can you see? Now the details of the clothes, the background, the environment is coming out more, right? I said after that, I'm also going to drop down the highlight is minus 70, right? So my white as well to like minus 50, then black to like add black to like minus 30 or so. Yeah, perfect. So let me show you the before and after. This is before, after, before, after. So guys, you can see, right? Now the next thing we're going to do now is, so I want to improve the color of the image, like from the skin tone down to the back. So I'm just going to add a little bit of saturation to like let's say 10. Yeah, this is perfect. So come down to clarity. So under clarity, I'm going to add clarity and structure just for the details, right? Then add clarity to like 10, then structure to like 10 as well. Yeah, perfect. Then come down to my dehaze, right? So I'll just dehaze it a little bit to like 15. Yeah, you can see, guys, this is before, after, before, after. Can you see the huge difference between the before and after? This is before, after, before, after. Like before was gone, you understand? But if you look at it now, we're able to get the image back, right? So now the next thing I'm going to do, now I'm going to add a little bit of contrast. Then come back here and add a little bit of contrast. Yeah, to like 8. Yeah, this is better now. Then also I'm going to add a little bit of, reduce the shadow a little bit. Yeah, you can see negative 16. All right, so now, so to add a little bit of flavor to the image, I'm going to add a bit of a vignette. Let's say negative 30. Yeah, this is 31, right? So this is before and this is after. This is before, this is after. So guys, you can see, right? You can see. So I know how bad, and I know how bad overexposed image can ruin your shot. You understand? And how wrong settings can also ruin your shot. So if you ever found yourself in this situation, trust me, this is the best solution to that problem, right? So And I will say that until you watch this video, don't delete that picture. So I want to take this image to warm a little bit. Yeah, add a little bit of Kelvin. Yeah, perfect. So I'm just going to reduce the brightness a little bit. Yeah, perfect. Guys, you can see, this is it. This is amazing, guys. This is amazing. So add a little bit of the black, -31. So let's play with color balance, right? Play with color balance. So we have the master, three-way, shadow, make tune, and highlight. So, but I'm going to play with the master. You understand? I'm going to play with the master. So now, I'll just take it to the warm side a little bit. You can see, take it to warm side a little bit. You can see for the master now, because this master now, whatever you do, affects everything. You understand? If the shadow is going to be affect shadow, if it's make tune, it's going to affect make tune, if it's highlight, but this master is going to affect everything. So I'm just going to leave it here. This is before, this is after, before, after, before, after. So guys, you can see. So this is how to fix overexposed photos step by step and in Capture One. You understand? So this is how to fix your overexposed photos in Capture One step by step, guys. I'm going to, if you want to see how I edit my pictures step by step, like how I retouch my images, I'm going to drop the link. I'm going to attach the link to this video. And if you also want to see how, I color grade my photos with different presets, melanin skin tone, where light skin tone, dark skin tone, different kind of presets. I'm also going to attach every link to this video. So do well to check the link and see how you can have access to the link and start enjoying. So let me know what you want me to talk about in my next video. And guys, let me know what you think about this video. So see you in my next video. Bye.